An apple a day keeps the doctor away. We all have heard this age-old adage, but the question is which apple is best, red or green? Their skin color is not the only thing which makes these two apples different from each other. They both taste different, are packed with different nutrients, and have different nutritional benefits. Both types of apple are packed with healthy vitamins and minerals. They are rich in antioxidants, pectin, quercetin, and flavonoids. They protect cells from oxidative damage, reduce the risk of developing chronic heart and liver diseases. Apples are low in fiber and calories, which makes them an excellent weight loss-friendly fruit. In this video we have compared the two types of apple and have tried to find out which one is better. Green apple are sour in taste and have thick skin, which makes them crisper. Red apple on the other hand are sweet, juicy, and have thin skin. It is due to their sweetness people prefer red apple over green ones. Green apple is a better source of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin K as compared to its counterpart. Moreover, it contains more iron, potassium, and protein than the red apple. As per some studies, green apples can be better for people trying to shed kilos. If you are trying to reduce your overall sugar intake, then it is better to switch to green apples. Red apples, on the other hand, contain more antioxidants and are more delicious. Both types of apple are packed with healthy vitamins and minerals. They are rich in antioxidants, pectin, quercetin, and flavonoids. They protect cells from oxidative damage, reduce the risk of developing chronic heart and liver diseases. Apples are low in fiber and calories, which makes them an excellent weight loss-friendly fruit. There are indeed some nutritional differences between red and green apples, but the health difference is negligible. If we look into their nutritional value, then green apples are healthier than the red apple. But if you want to increase the intake of antioxidants, then include red apples in your diet. The ideal choice would be to have both types of apples.